Namaste. Welcome to Bale Tulu Kalpuga. In these tutorials, we are going to learn about colors. ಬಣ್ಣಗಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಕಲಿಯೋಣ. ಕಲರ್ಸ್ ಕಲರ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ರಂಗ್ 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 ರಂಗದ ಗೊಬ್ಬು. ಓಕೆ, ರಂಗ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಕಲರ್. ಓ ರಂಗ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ. ಬಣ್ಣ ಹೂವು ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವಿಚ್ ಕಲರ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆ ತರ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, I'm going to share my screen. Okay. Red means ಕೆಂಪು ಕೆಂಪು. ರಕ್ತದ ಬಣ್ಣ, blood color. Sometimes we will directly refer to the things like bangar. Bangar means gold color. Bangar ಬಣ್ಣ. Bulli means that shining white. Bulli ಬಣ್ಣ. ನೇರಳೆ means one type of fruits. Okay, ನೇರಳೆ color like that. Okay, the basic colors are red ಕೆಂಪು, ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಕಪ್ಪು ಅಥವಾ ಕರಿ ಬಣ್ಣ, ಬಿಳಿ ಬೊಲ್ದು ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಬಿಳಿ, ಬೊಲ್ಪು ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಲೈಟ್, ಬೊಲ್ಪು. ನೀಲಿಗೆ ನೀಲಿ ಬ್ಲೂ ಕಲರ್. ನೇರಳೆ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಪರ್ಪಲ್ ಕಲರ್. ಬೂದು ಗ್ರೇ, ಬೊನ್ನೆ ಕಲರ್. in Tulu, bonya means this ash. This after burning the wood, all thing, no? That ash color. Green, pache. Yellow, manjal. Even for turmeric, we will calling as a manjal only. Manjal. Okay. Other color brown. Brown means kandu color. Coffee color. Coffee color. Khaki. You might have seen the Indian police or drivers wear the uniform. This the color it is. Which color? Khaki. Okay. Once again, ಕೆಂಪು, ಕಪ್ಪು ಅಥವಾ ಕರಿ, ಬೊಲ್ದು, ನೀಲಿ, ನೇರಳೆ, ಬೊನ್ಯ, ಪಚ್ಚೆ, ಮಂಜಲ, ಕಂದು, ಕಾಫಿ ಅಥವಾ ಕಾಪಿ, ಖಾಕಿ. Okay, this is the derived colors. Okay, normally RGB, red, green, blue. These are the basic color on basis of science. Okay, in Yakshagana or Bhutaradhane, what the color they're calling is a different name. Okay, for red it is Ingalika in Yakshagana. Ingalika. White is Safeda. Yellow, Aradala. Okay, these are the pure organic product they are using in Yakshagana. Normally now it is the chemical that people are using, but in older days they're preparing the organic colors for their use. Okay, hope you remember all things. Now we'll tag one color to any things or materials to easy remember. Okay. Kempu. What are the kempu? Blood color. Blood kempu. Cherry. Apple. These are the red. Kappu. Curry. Coal. Hair. Kappu kujal. Kappu kannasime. Okay. Buldu. White. Buldu. Milk. Pear. Milk. Buldu pear. Buldu kakaji. Kakaji means what? Kakaji. Paper. Neeli. Neeli. Sky. Neeli. Sky. Nerole. Nerole. One type of fruits. Nerole. Bonya. Gray. Ane. Normally it will be the bonya color. Green. Leaf. Grass. Tree. Okay. This is pache. Yellow. Yellow. Turmeric. Yellow color. Brown. Coffee. And khaki color. Okay. Now the test. Next. Just try to identify these colors. Okay. I will drag my photos here. Okay. Okay. This is chili. Red chili. Red chili. This one yellow. Yeah. You can either say yellow or gold. Gold means bangar the color. Bangar the color. Yellow is banana is yellow. This is a bangar color. For silver color, once again silver color. Bolli. Bolli. Bold means white. What you are seeing in the flag. White. Moon and the sun. This is the white color. Bolli means once again silver color. One more thing you have to learn, the dark and smooth color. Dark means kadu. Kadu color. Okay. Kadu color. Manda color. Manda or telu. Telpu. Okay. Telpu ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅಥವಾ ಮಂದ ಕಲರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ. ಆಕಾಶ ಬ್ಲೂ. ಒಂದು ಕಡು ಬ್ಲೂ. ಓಕೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ಎಲಿಫೆಂಟ್ ಗ್ರೇ. ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಯೂನಿಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಖಾಕಿ. ಕ್ರಾ ಕಪ್ಪು. ಪ್ಯಾರೆಟ್ ಪಚ್ಚೆ. This squirrel brown color. Kandu. Kandu color. This is a light kandu and dark kandu. Kadu. Kadu and telpu. Kandu color. This flag kempu and white. This line is manjal with the manjal line. This spectacle full glass black. Okay. Blue whale. Blue whale. This is the blue color. Means neeli. Neeli. This one coffee. Coffee color. Coffee. Puche. Which color puche? Gray. Bonya color. Bonya, ash color. Leaf, green color. Green color. Love symbol, red heart. Coffee seed, coffee. This one, brown basket. Brown basket. The same. This one, nerole, pink color. Sorry, purple color. Purple. Okay. Purple color. This eyelid, this one, black. Purple. Yellow banana. White pigeon. White dove. Okay. Sometime we will refer the item names. I don't know. Like rose, gulabi banna, ನೇರಳೆ ಬಣ್ಣ. We are referring directly the items, materials. Okay. This is about the color, the basic color. Okay. Once again, repeat ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ. Okay. Close your eyes and try to recall. Red, black, white, blue, purple, gray, green, yellow, brown, khaki, dark, light. Once again, with fast. Red, black, white, blue, purple, gray, green, yellow, brown, purple, white, black, gray, green, red, purple, gray, white, blue, black. Okay. This is about color. Just practice it. Remember. Okay. Going to stop this one. We will meet in next class. If you have any doubt, just comment on our comment box. We will try to reply. Okay. Now subscribe the channels and keep forwarding. If you want to enroll the course, please contact me. One-to-one class or this course access. Thank you.